G'day and welcome to the PAMMO Stitch Elements with Jenny Brandis. This video shows a butterfly and bead spider element from month 5. Having worked to the element, we are now ready to work the incoming row with pins in half stitch, pin, half stitch. Cross, twist, pin, cross, twist. Lay aside the left pairs while we work the rest of the pins to the right. This basic stitch is also called torsion ground, half stitch ground, or even just ground. Lay the right pairs aside as we will come back to them later. Repeat the half stitch, pin, half stitch down the left row. Next we will add extra twists, 3 on the 2 centre pairs, 2 on the next 2 pairs down each side, and 3 on the last 2 pairs. Unwind a bit of length on the 2 centre bobbins before using a fine 0.75mm crochet hook to add the 2mm bead. Thread the bead onto the crochet hook. With the hook up, place the hook under the right thread, catch it and pull it through the bead. Catch the loop formed and lay down the hook. This loop is why we need to lengthen the threads before we started. Insert the left bobbin beads first through the loop and lay it down. Shorten the length of thread on those 2 bobbins. Release the right bobbin and ease the loop down and into the bead while you gently pull the 2 bobbins outwards. This outward movement and jiggle eases the beads itself up into place. Now we lock it in place by adding 2 twists to each pair. Shorten the length on the bobbins and we are ready to start the spider part. Bring down the next 2 left pairs, using the second left pair as the workers, cross stitch through to the centre. Repeat on the right, cross stitch the 3rd right pair through to the centre. Cross stitch the 2 centre pairs and tension. Using the last left leg pair, cross stitch through to the centre and lay aside. Repeat with the last right leg to the centre. Put up the pin and tension. Use the centre left pair and cross stitch through the 4 right pairs. Add 3 twists and lay that pair aside. Move the 3 right pairs aside, leaving the centre right to be cross stitched through the 3 left pairs. Add 3 twists and lay that pair aside. Return to the centre and cross stitch the centre left pair through the 3 right pairs. Add 2 twists and lay that pair aside. Return to the centre, cross stitch the centre right pair through the 2 left pairs. Add 2 twists and lay that pair aside. Add 2 twists to all 4 pairs and lengthen the threads on the 2 centre bobbins. To prevent the threads in the work being pulled, hold the threads down to the pillow while lengthening the threads. Thread the bead on the crochet hook. Draw the right loop through the bead and make a loop. Insert the left bobbin beads first through the loop and lay the bobbin down. Shorten the thread lead to working length and ease the bead up to the work by gently tugging the bobbins as before. Add 3 twists to the 2 pairs and lay aside. Finish the element by working the outgoing row of pins with half stitch, pin, half stitch.